Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I will show you how you can set up and also enable your hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. Somewhere here you'll find a hotspot toggle. For me, that is located on the first page right over here, which this is the default location of it, so hopefully for you it's on the same page. Once you see it, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you'll have access to things like the password for your hotspot. By default it will be randomly generated, so I recommend selecting it and completely getting rid of it, and then choosing your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Additionally, we have also the AP band setting with you can change with the slider. So we have a 2.4, 5 gigahertz, 5 only, and 6. Now, if you don't know what this is, I recommend sticking with the either 2.4 or 2.4 and 5. This will give you probably the best kind of versatility. The 2.4 basically will be used by any kind of device that has Wi-Fi connectivity, while the 5 gigahertz and above will be used by newer devices and will provide you with a faster, more stable connection, but won't be supported by literally every device. So older devices might not support this, therefore they just won't see your hotspot at all. Anyway, that being said, we can select save. And from there, you can turn off your hotspot quickly by checking it on in here. Oops. Oh, so that's the Wi-Fi. Now this only happens because I'm using both the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, so the device can only, needs basically both of the antennas at that point for this. Therefore, it needs to turn off Wi-Fi and use those antennas as one of those signals. Now, if I were to turn that off and change it back to either 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, as you can see, it won't need my Wi-Fi anymore, and it keeps it on. Now, you can also turn your hotspot on and off from your notifications right here. So simply tap on it, like this. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is your hotspot will consume a little bit more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, I do recommend to try to remember to turn it off once you're done using it. And one last thing that I'm going to check, because I didn't, some hotspots do have the option to, there we go, automatically turn it off, which does actually come enabled on this device by default, and it doesn't actually display for how long it runs. So so it might be something like 10 minutes, probably. So after 10 minutes of detecting that no device is utilizing it, it will turn it off. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.